Can we talk about rotifers? Rotifers are microscopic multicellular animals that belong to their own phylum that can be found all over the world. They get the name rotifer because when their cilia beats, cilia are the little hairs at the top of their mouths, it resembles the rotation of a wheel. They eat organic matter, algae, and protozoans. Even though most animals grow through cell division, rotifers keep the same number of cells in their bodies their whole lives. Growth is achieved by increasing the size of these cells. Within the rotifer phylum, there are 3 major groups, but these groups are split into 2,200 different species that have been described. Rotifers contribute to the recycling of nutrients. For this reason, people will often add rotifer cultures to their fish tanks to improve the water quality. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.